In this how-to video, we're going to review the data panel. Start by clicking on Show Data Panel. Inside the data panel, we see the name of the current project and all of the designs in that project. Any people I'm collaborating with, since this is training, is just myself. If I click on Fusion Training, the name of the project, it opens up Autodesk A360. Here we see the name of the project and again all of the designs in that project. I'll just close that down. Back in the data panel, I can upload. So if I want files to upload, whether they're from Autodesk Inventor or any other CAD application, I can do that here and upload it to the Fusion Training project or change that destination. Then click Upload. I can also create a new folder. Clicking on Options hides the recent name and then the list view and grid view options. If I scroll down the designs in my project, let's click on this particular one and we can see that we can open, insert it into the design, create a new drawing, share a public link, and so on. Clicking on the little letter I shows the information for that particular design. And again, I'm going to open up details in A360. That's for this particular design, not for the project. And here we see the details about that particular design.